3 days after my cancer surgery last year, I kept hearing these 2 lines from the book. Kindness cannot self-isolate. It moves both ways and always like breath. So I composed a little song. And this is for all of us and those who are no longer with us. There's a tear in my heart. Ooh, Mama just died. There's a tear in your heart. Ooh, Papa just died. I'm in lockdown, you're in lockdown. As you breathe, as I breathe, in that tear, that smarting tear. But we can listen and be kind. Yes, let's be kind and listen as we breathe, as we breathe. 'Cause kindness knows no lockdown, no lockdown. As we breathe, as we breathe. 'Cause kindness cannot self-isolate. It moves both ways and always like breath. So breathe it better, darling. Let's breathe it better, darling. Breathe, 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 breathe. Let's breathe it better, darling. Kindly, please. Kindly.